What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And like today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is E-82000171. A credit card on file is invalid. So it's a payment method error, a credit card information method error. So here I'm just going to show my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Simply go to the settings here, and then you go to the account management and account information. Just wait for the payment methods. Here we go to the wallet, wallet settings, then you get the payment methods, and here you just purchase settings, check it, turn it off. Here sometimes your credit information is expired or it's not working because you have a different region or something, here you just add your payment method. If you delete it by mistake, and you can add a number and PayPal information also, and you must go check the address first also, because you must have a same PSN account region and your credit card information, a payment method information. After that it will work. If you got different, then it's not gonna work. You can use a redeem codes or a gift cards from the same region and it will be work. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.